Are you tired of clicking through the Google admin console hundreds of times just to update or create multiple entries? Meet SheetOps, the Google Sheets add-on that lets you manage your workspace directory at spreadsheet speed. To assign or move multiple users across organizational units in Google Workspace, open your Google Sheet and select Extensions SheetOps Users. You can filter and fetch existing users from your domain. Or if you already have a list of user emails ready, select just the sheet to generate a clean template. Checking the Google Admin console, we can see there is only one user assigned to the engineering organizational unit. Let's add 4 more users to this unit. I will paste their emails into the email column and enter engineering in the org unit path column. Always make sure your OU path starts with the / and that the target OU already exists in your admin console. Notice how the edited cells highlight in yellow? This visual indicator shows that the OU changes are pending and have not been pushed to your workspace yet. To apply the new OU assignments, we need to check the boxes in the Apply Changes column. You can click and drag across the checkboxes or select the first checkbox, hold Shift and click the last one. Then press spacebar to toggle all selected checkboxes at once. When the confirmation prompt appears, select No, since we are updating existing user account properties rather than creating new accounts. SheetOps will update the users sequentially. The yellow highlights clear and a green updated log entry appears in the changelog column. Let's switch back to the Google Admin console and refresh the page. As you can see, all 4 users have been successfully moved into the engineering organizational unit. SheetOps directly connects with official directory APIs from your Google Sheet for data fetching and update. Hence, none of your data leaves your Google account. SheetOps will connect with its backend server only to verify your license status. Install SheetOps now from Google Workspace Marketplace. Link in the description below.